this vlog off a little late after we already ate breakfast and stuff. Mia's here. We're getting ready to just go walk around the neighborhood. It's really nice outside. It's like in the 60s or so. High 60s, low 70s. But yeah, I'm just gonna get my dog. I'm gonna get Luna ready. Mia's over there. She's ready to go. Okay, Luna, thank you. And yeah. Mia, come on. She's so nosy. She's looking at people over there fix their car. Come on, Kukuha. Yeah, come on. Luna, stop sniffing things. No. What are you doing? Don't picking up rocks. Come on. It's just so nice, so quiet out today. Mia, what the heck? Come on, Cuckoo. What are you doing? Yeah? You taking a break? Yeah? Come on. She's so distracted, guys. Like, every little thing she sees, she's distracted by. Okay, so you guys see that swan over there? Funny story, when I first moved here, I thought it was real. It's actually fake. But I would come out here every day, like, to walk my dog. And I would just like wonder like why it never moved from that spot. I was like, what is wrong with this swan? And my mom was like, that swan is fake, Melania. And I was like, oh. Yeah, I'm not the brightest crayon in the color box. It takes me a while to get things. But I really honestly thought it was real because it looks so realistic. Mia. Why are you making that face? Nobody judged me. She has socks with sandals on, but she doesn't have any shoes that matched her outfit. And I have to have her matching, but it's too cold for her to just wear little sandals. I don't want her toes cold, but I mean, this is my outfit, so we kind of matched too because we both got on like the silver, the gray, and then a purple. So you know, she had to match, mommy. Luna, she doesn't want you sniffing her butt. Tell the wow wow. Don't do that. Come on. Luna here is such a spaz, and she keeps trying to go back to my house through that way, and I'm trying to go this way because we have the garage open. And she's just such a freak, and she's like, I guess afraid of everything. Come on, Mia. I've never really came out and like walked a lot with Mia like this. Mostly because she's not fully walking yet. This is kind of like getting her, you know, getting her feet wet, seeing how she does. And she's doing really good, honestly. She keeps stopping though because, you know, oh, God bless you. Like I said, I never really have her out here walking. So she's like just enjoying the scenery, looking at all the things. I mean, not that there's much, but she's just looking at everybody's house, looking at all the little plants and everything. But she's doing a really good job. Like, she hasn't stopped, you know, because she's gotten tired. I mean, she stopped a little bit, but... Alright, so we're back from our walk, and I'm going to go ahead and get dinner ready. I'm going to be making a pot roast, and it does take 4 hours to cook. And it is almost 4 o'clock now, so I'm getting it in a little late actually. But yeah, so we just get a big pot like this, put the pot roast in, and then we just line it with foil. And this foil is being the carbon. Mia is very cranky, so if you heard her crying in the background, that's why. She refuses to take a nap, so she just wants to be cranky, so I mean, what are you gonna do? So once it's just lying like that, we're gonna go ahead and just take the pot roast out of the water that I had it defrosting in.
each their own. Wash. Oh, sure. So it's washed, and then I just pat it dry. Get the other side, kind of pat it dry. That's trash there. This side. Okay. Then we take some oil on both sides. Just kind of sprinkle that on there. Rub it in a little bit. Flip it over. Do the same to this side. Then we take soy sauce and just kind of do a few splashes of that. Rub it in. Flip it over. Sorry if you hear me, she's like I said, she's down here playing with stuff, but she doesn't want to take it on. So once you do soy sauce to both sides, we take some of our Montreal steak and just sprinkle some of this on both sides. And like I said, this takes about 4 hours to cook. So, I mean, definitely gives me time to, do other things, get me to nap. That's kind of why I like cooking this. I make it kind of often. And then that's that. So you just do all those, and you just... So once you do that, you just cover the top with more aluminum foil. And then I already had my oven preheated. You preheat it to 275. And then we just pop this in. Set the timer for 4 hours. And that is that.
Like I said, it's a really easy dinner. I make it a lot just because it takes so long to cook, so I have time to do like things in between. Mia, don't touch that. Yeah, so I have time to do things in between, and I could honestly just make it with like a quick pasta or something like that. That way it's just a quick, simple, easy dinner. Yeah, what are you doing? That doesn't go there. That doesn't go in there. Mia, you want to take a nap? Baby. She's ignoring me.